Today I want to share some strategies for using Etsy ads to make more sales for your printables. And Etsy ads can help drive traffic to your Etsy printable shop so you can grow your business. And in this video, I'm going to share some strategies for Etsy ads, what they are, how they work, and their ads policies. So Etsy Offsite ads started in February 2020, and what this is that they actually advertise your store via ads that run on other sites. So it's a little different than their internal advertising. They're advertising your store on places like Google, Facebook, and Instagram. And how do these ads work? Basically, you're opted in automatically as a seller, and then they promote different products and use their algorithms on partner sites. So get those ads out there. So with Offsite ads, with being opted in, you actually don't have to pay anything up front, which is fantastic, but you do pay an Etsy fee if your product sells. And like anything else with getting more traffic and visibility to your listings, you really want to make sure that you have your descriptions optimized and everything is set up properly for your listing. So you can opt out to Etsy ads, but I don't really see the point in doing that unless you're like actually losing money, because you only pay for it if you actually make a sale through their ads. And they do have an option here if you want to opt out there. So there's going to be a dashboard, an ads dashboard, most likely in their mobile app, because they have a mobile app that has some things on there that it isn't actually available online. And that can help you track your ads performance to see how it's doing and how you're making sales. So Etsy Offsite ads are just yet another reason to actually get started selling printables on Etsy, because they're doing advertising for you basically, and there's no upfront cost to you. So if you'd like to learn more about driving traffic to your printables and low content products, check out Easy Printable Traffic. I'm giving you all the latest strategies in there along with done for you templates.